Unsure? We win? Win is okay. Hello, welcome to Bali.
Hello, welcome to Bali.
Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I will update how the session at the moment in Padma Legian Bali on Patma Street. Okay guys, so if you want to know how the session right at the moment, just keep staying in touch. Check it out. Hello guys, how today? Yeah, I'll be fine. Okay guys, today I will make video in Padma Legian Bali on Patma Street. Okay, so if you want to know how the session at the moment in Patma Street, just make sure watch the video until the end. And overview today start from the west part on Patma Street, just nearby Legian Beach, and then I will make continue walking until to the east part on Patma Street. Let me show you around here. Wow. So, so strong. The sunshine is so strong. Okay, let me show you around here. Hello. Wow. This is Padma Resort over there. Wow. And this is Nakan Restaurant. I hope you know exactly where we are at the moment. We start make video from this area until to the east part on Patma Street. Yeah, I'm like, okay. Let me show you how busy Padma Bali today. Hello, why you left side? This is Nakan Restaurant. Oh, Peter is over there. It's not dinner time yet, but already a few people over there. It's good. Okay, now we are on Patma Street, and let me show you how busy Padma Bali today. See, cross the street at the restaurant. Peter is over there. It's quite busy. They're just really good. Good surf, brother. Good surfing.
Morning, yeah, okay.
Onshore, we win. Win is okay.
Yeah, morning, okay.
All right. Okay, cross the street over there is water pub. Not so bad. Still futurist in this area. They're just really good. Water pub. Futurist doing shopping over there. It's good. Okay guys, if you just find this channel and if you don't mind, please subscribe, like, comment. Also you can share this video because there's a lot of people around the world. They are missing Bali and they want to know the update fashion at the moment in Padma Bali on Padma Street. And don't forget to hit the bell because I will always update the new session in Bali, so you will not miss any new video from Bali travel vlog. Okay, let's keep continue walking on Padma Street. And let me show you how busy Padma Bali today. Tattoo studio. The future's over there. This is Legian Bali. But I will make continue walking on Padma Street. Rama Garden. Seafood restaurant. Wow. You can see king prawn. And also we can see lobster over there. Big lobster. What do you think so far? Not really busy yet, isn't it? What's happening here? And the traffic also quite busy actually. A lot of cars and motorbike drive around this area. See that? This is my dream car. Wow, expensive car. What about in the restaurant? Oh, picture is over there. Hello, welcome to Bali. Welcome to Bali. Hello. Oh, picture is over there. It's good. And maybe like around 1 week ago, I already made video to start from 108 spot bar until Bali Aussie. Sorry, Y bar. Until Y bar, yeah. Around a week ago. I think 1 week ago is more busier in this area, isn't it? Today is more quiet compared with the last week. And also a few days ago, I already made video on Raya Legian Street. That is Momos Spot Bar on Raya Legian Street. And the other one, we have Momos Spot Bar on Patma Street. Let me show you how busy at Momos Spot Bar in Padma Bali. See, across the street left side, pictures over there. It's good. Oh, big screen. It is really quiet actually. Really sad. Let's cross the street. Let's see other side. Because it's cooler here. Hello, welcome to Bali. Wow. It's really busy, really sad. Even in the restaurant, also no so many tourists around here. Quiet. Oh yeah, as I told you, I will show you how it look like and how the session at Momos Spot Bar on Raya Legian Street. Let me show you how busy over there today. You see? Momos Spot Bar. Wow, some loud music inside. So I have to talk louder than the music. Rame dek. Hello, welcome to Bali.
Welcome to Bali. Welcome to Momos.
Momos.
Yes.
Another one on Raya Legian Street. Yeah, this is in Padma area.
Yeah.
Let me show the sign.
This is
Wow.
number 1.
Yeah, this number 2 on Raya Legian Street, isn't it? Yeah, okay. Thank you, yeah. Well, not really busy yet, but soon they will be busy because Australians still be outside to go to the beach to see the sunset down. Okay, let me show you. Let's keep continue how busy around here today. Hello, wow, so pretty. Yeah, this is China's restaurant. Wow, so many loud music around here. So busy, so busy. That's good. Yeah, today we already make video on Patma Street, but still looks so quiet. Just really sad. It's quiet, isn't it? And now we are on Padma Street. Oh, sorry, Raya Legian Street. Okay, guys. So this is our journey today in Padma Legian Bali on Padma Street. So what do you think? Just so quiet, isn't it? Really sad. Okay, guys. If you just find the channel and if you don't mind, please subscribe, like, comment. Also, you can share this video because there's a lot of people around the world. They are missing Bali and they want to know the update situation at the moment in Padma Legian Bali. And don't forget to hit the bell because I will always update the new situation in Bali. So you will not miss any new video from Bali Travel Vlog. Thank you very much for watching my video and we'll see you in the next video. Bye bye. It's quiet.